CourseArc organizes content using a hierarchical structure. At the top level is a course. Courses contain modules. In the Edit Course settings, you may have chosen a different term, such as lesson or session, instead of module. A module is a chunk of content inside a course and is made up of multiple pages. Content on a page is built with a series of blocks. There are many blocks to choose from, and blocks can be used in any combination on any page. Notice that as you navigate within CourseArc, we auto-generate breadcrumbs that show you exactly where you are. CourseArc makes it easy to revise, reuse, and remix content. Courses, modules, pages, and blocks can all be copied. The copy function duplicates the original content to the designated destination and keeps the content in its original source. Only a system administrator or a course administrator can copy a course. To copy a course, you need to be in the Manage Course view. Click the Manage drop-down menu and then click the Edit Course link. Click the Copy Course button to begin the copy process. Depending on the size of the course, it may take some time to copy. To copy a module, navigate to the Manage Course view that includes the module that needs to be copied. To copy a module, click the module's Action drop-down in the Manage column and then click Copy. The Copy dialog window will appear. Choose the course to copy the module to by enabling the corresponding radio button and then click the Copy button. After the module is copied, a confirmation message will appear at the top of the Manage Course view. To see the copied module, navigate to the course selected in the previous step. Note, the confirmation may include an error message if there are glossary terms in the copied content and the selected course doesn't have the glossary enabled. So it is good practice before you copy a module to check if the glossary is enabled. And if it is, make sure that the glossary option is also enabled in the course you are copying the module into. To copy a page, go to the Manage Module view that includes the page that needs to be copied. Click the Page's Action drop-down menu in the Manage column and then select Copy. Select the plus sign to the left of the corresponding course to expand the list of modules in the course, and then select the module where you would like to add the copied page. Then click the Copy button. After the page is copied, a confirmation message will appear at the top of the Manage Module view. The clipboard stores individual user-created blocks of content that can be copied to any course page. Using the clipboard saves time configuring blocks and helps provide a consistent look and feel. To copy a block, navigate to a page with a block of content that needs to be added to the clipboard. Click the Edit This Page button to put the page in edit mode. Then, click on the block that needs to be added to the clipboard and select Copy to Clipboard. To use a block from the clipboard, click Add to Content and then select Paste from Clipboard. The Paste from Clipboard window will appear. Select the block that needs to be added to the page by clicking on the name of the block. The selected block will now appear on the page. You can click on the block and click Edit to make changes to the block. And when you are done, you can publish your page to save your changes. All the elements within a course can be moved. The move function deletes the content from its original source and moves it to a new location. To move a module within a course or reorder the modules, navigate to the Manage Course view. Hover your mouse over the reorder icon to the left of the module you would like to move until your cursor changes to a four-headed arrow. Click and drag the module to the new location within the course and then drop when you have it where you want it. Only course leaders can reorder modules within a course. To prevent a developer from accidentally moving a module that shouldn't be moved, CourseArc does not have an option in the Manage menu to move a module. Therefore, if you want to move a module, it is a two-step process. Use the Copy Module procedure and then delete the original module. There are two ways to move a page. First, you can reorder the pages from the Manage Module view. Move your mouse over the reorder icon in the Move column until the cursor changes into a four-headed arrow. Click and drag the page to the new location within the module and then drop it when you have it where you want it. You can also move a page from one module to another. You also will do this from the Manage Module view. In the Manage column, choose the Action drop-down menu next to the page you want to move into another module, and then click Move. The Move Page dialog window will appear. Locate the course that contains the module that you would like to move the page to, and then select the plus sign next to the left of the corresponding course. This will expand the course so you can see a list of modules. Select the module where you would like to move the page, and then select the Move button. After the page is moved, a confirmation message will appear at the top of the Manage Module view. To move a block, click the Edit This Page button to put the page in edit mode. Click on the block you would like to move and select Move. The blocks on the page will shrink to allow you to see more of the page content. When you mouse over the block, the cursor will change into a four-headed arrow, indicating that you can now click and drag the block below the cursor. Drag the block where you would like to move it into a new place on the page, and then drop. Note that if your page has many blocks or a lot of content, you may need to zoom out or move the blocks a few times to get the content in the correct order.